How to uninstall Discord completely from your Windows 11 PC. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can uninstall the Discord application permanently from your Windows 11 PC. So in order to do this, the first thing that you're going to do is simply scroll down and simply search for settings. So once you are inside the settings of your Windows 11 PC, you will need to do the following. So from here, simply click onto this apps option, and from here, choose the installed apps. Now within the installed apps, simply search for Discord. So let me search for Discord, and here you can see this is the Discord application. And now in order to uninstall this, simply click onto these more options, and from here choose the second option, that is uninstall. Now this says this app and its related info will be uninstalled. To proceed, simply click onto this uninstall button and wait for the uninstallation process to finish. Now once the uninstallation process will finish removing the app from the system, you will see that this mm, application will vanish from this particular list. So that's how easily you can uninstall the Discord application from your Windows 11 PC. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.